if you want to change background color in Picsart, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So go ahead and click remove BG at the top, right? And then click your image. Basically, after you click your image, there is gonna be a white screen. If that white screen appeared, that means that I cannot show you inside because Picsart just black out that screen or make it white so no one can see. So basically, after you selected, that background will be removed automatically without the need to do anything, and you're gonna be able to see colors. Select the colors from your screen in order to basically remove the background or change the color of your background. All right, so this is how you can do it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.